Let's play a board game together. Not just any board game, this is the group's personalized game. Let's start with one space and let our imaginations build from there. Let's create a growing layout with unique spaces that challenge players to do more than sit around and collect cards. Like face off against an opponent in a fitness challenge to brag about strength, or run across the living room like our favorite anime character for a specific length. Perhaps have a dance-off to see who has the best moves, or gain an advantage by teleporting closer to victory if you so choose. We could ask trivia questions of each other and enjoy a debate, or laugh as we stuff our faces in an eating competition to determine our fate. Let's have a one-on-one epic air guitar battle and laugh at the fun, or we can unleash the Grim Reaper to heighten the challenge to hunt down everyone. To earn points or achieve victory, we could have a staring contest, or a math contest to see who's best. There are classic spaces like Miss a Turn and Roll Again, as we race towards a freestyle rap battle to see whose words transcend. There are so many more individual game spaces to choose from to add more fun, competition, and laughs to every tournament played. This is a game of infinite possibilities that'll be different and challenging each time because it doesn't have to be the same game twice. Welcome to the world of Board Game Wherever, a handmade, cardboard-based modular board game system that is as unique as the people who are playing. Incredibly easy to learn, fully customizable, environmentally sustainable, 100% made in Canada, and perfect for all ages and group sizes. Let's put a board game together any way we want.